They said freedom had a price. I just didn't think it meant me. Another name carved in the stone, another flag draped over bone. They promised stars, they promised suns, but shadows fall on everyone. The preacher prays in tongues of smoke, the dream forgot the working folk. The stars on the flag don't shine for everyone. Some burn out before the dawn. Raise a glass for the lost and the lonely ones. The ballad of forgotten songs. Rust in the fields, ghost in the mill, factory silence, the world stands still. The choir hums a national hymn, but no one remembers them. Oh, come ye faithful, broken and brave, your country calls you back.